Joshua from Singapore. Right now we are having dinner at Hotstone. Take a look at it.
Hotstones, huh?
And this is Joel.
Hi, Joel Christopher, Master List Builder, and we're here at Hotstone. In Filipino, mainit na bato.
Not the other word, huh? Not the other word.
Not the other word.
Not that word. Not that word.
Great experience. Thanks to Richard and Veronica.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah.
And this is Andrew Tan, the Abundant Achiever. Good company with us too today. We've got Richard Tan.
Say something.
I want to show you that this is a new way of cooking. We have a piece of stone that's very hot, and you just take your food on it and then you cook it. And this stone is supposed to come from the volcanic mountain whereby it's really hot, and you cook it this way. So if you come to Singapore, don't forget to visit the Hot Stone.
Hot Stones. And Hot Stones is in Clarke Quay. And another one of our good company here today is Veronica Tan as well.
Hello, I'm Veronica. I'm glad I'm here and I'm meeting a lot of interesting friends all over the world, and it's fun here, enjoying cooking, which we hardly do at home these days. Thank you.
Coming.
Hello. Okay. My first time doing this as well, so have a try.
And Sean.
Yeah, hi, I'm Sean from Singapore, and this is great food and it's very healthy. I love it, and this is the first time we're having it here. And remember to come. Is it Hot Stone? Yeah, Hot Stone. Thank you.
Okay.